Hi everybody. So if you're joining me for this sixth video and taking the time to watch it all the way through, or even just a minute, just give it a click. That'd be awesome. So today I have a topic to talk about that is very important to me, and I think you guys are going to gel with it too. So it's going to be balancing your lifestyle for high income earners who want to look rich while they're getting rich. A lot of rich people who make $300,000 aren't rich, which is crazy to me. Lifestyle inflation, you can look that up. That's well documented all over the internet. But what isn't well documented is how do you balance that lifestyle inflation while you're growing your wealth? And this is the answer. So obviously, go buy a Porsche doesn't make sense for everybody. It made sense for me at the time, and it might make sense for some of you, and I'll explain why. I bought a 2017 Mustang brand new in 2017, obviously, and I paid $34,000 for that car. 3 years later, I traded it in for $28,000, and I owed $28,000 on the loan. So over 3 years, I built zero capital in that car. I had an asset that was depreciating, costing me money and interest in every month. It was cool. The Mustang was sweet, sounded good, looked good, all that good stuff. But at the same time, it was making me lose money every single day. And I was like, how can I balance this? How do I get a car that I really love and that doesn't stop me from my long-term goals of being wealthy? And that's this Porsche. So I traded the Mustang in for this Porsche in 2020. So 5 years ago, I've owned this car 5 years. It's not paid off. I owe about $5,000 or $6,000. I'd have to check. But here's the kicker. It's worth $50,000 to $55,000. And 5 years of ownership of having this amazing machine has allowed me to basically have fun while I'm building my wealth in the background and not let my lifestyle creep out of control. So I was able to enjoy an amazing machine like this while I'm building my wealth. Now this video really only applies to high income earners and how to build wealth and how to control lifestyle while building your wealth. So obviously, if you're not a high income earner, you're gonna have to take a different strategy. And long term, I plan on posting all kinds of videos: cars, lifestyle, wealth, how to manage money, finance. And keep in mind, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a guy with a good job and a dream. So take everything I say with a grain of salt. If you agree, that's awesome. Give this video a like. If you disagree, put it in the comments. Tell me why. If I could do things better, let me know how, because I'm always open to listen to you guys. And this is just what worked for me. Having a high income, if you want a cool car, get one that's not gonna just wreck you financially. So when I bought this car for $50,000, I could have bought any new $50,000 car on the market. The average new car price in 2025 is $50,000. I go buy a new truck, a new car, brand new Camry. It's just going to plummet in value so fast. It's going to lose you money. This car lost me $0, and it's freaking sweet. And here I am 5 years later, it's almost paid off, and I have all this capital built into it. So obviously it worked out well for me, but it's not just me. If you have a high income and you can afford to buy a depreciated Porsche, do it like yesterday. This is gonna be your first step towards getting a taste of that lifestyle you want without leveraging your future on it, right? So I was able to own this car for 5 years and then still be in the position I'm in today to catapult my wealth, to the stratosphere over the next decade. And I can't wait. So I think my next coming videos, and please let me know if the frequency is too much. I also want to address a couple things. So I'm probably going to post more than once a week. I don't know exactly how many. If I have time, I'll post it. It could be a little sporadic at first, but I can commit to you guys at least one video a week. So please give me ideas for what you want. I have my own ideas for a lot of videos. I have like 20, 30, 40 video ideas for you guys. And I hope you guys stick around and watch them, because I'm so excited for for my life and sharing it with you guys and teaching you guys how to better manage your money and how to have a car like this and get rich at the same time. It's more possible than you think, especially if you're a high income earner. So if you're a high income earner and you don't have like at least $100,000 saved up after 5-10 years, you're doing it wrong. You have to sell everything, and again, take it with a grain of salt, but if you're a high income earner, get rid of your debt like so fast. That's gotta be step one. And you need to start leveraging cash flow. You need to have a positive cash flow, so every single month you can pay yourself. And that's, this is just some of the strategies I've used. I'm probably gonna go into more detail in the future about my finances and how I'm able to do this. But I'm kind of like just sprinkling it in right now, so I don't, give away all the keys to the castle right away. But there are strategies to balance your lifestyle while building wealth. So even when you're not truly rich yet, you can look rich and work towards actually being rich. And I think that's a beautiful thing. Again, this only applies to high income earners. And I have strategies for you low to medium income earners. Everybody can get rich if you're committed to living a lifestyle that aligns with your current income so that you can have positive cash flow to save. You start small. Wealth is a snowball. And the bigger the number of your net worth, the faster that snowball grows. It's funny. It's a game. You need money. It takes money to make money. So the first thing you need to do is find a way to make a lot of money and find a way to save a lot of money. There's so many different ways to invest that are totally hands-off. You can, obviously your 401k, which is, I can do a whole video about a 401k. They're great if you want to work your whole life and retire when you're 65. If you don't want to do that and you want to retire earlier, I would leverage that money now. It's a bet on yourself. So again, not a financial advisor, but what's working for me could work for you if you're a high income earner. Bet on yourself. Invest that money into like a stock account like Acorns that, set it to aggressive, invest every penny you can, grow that wealth. And the second you can start investing in other avenues that are going to make you more cash flow now, the more cash flow you can put away, the bigger your snowball grows. I hope you guys understand where I'm going with this. Because, I didn't even realize that I sort of lucked my way into being rich without actually really trying. I just knew I wanted to be rich. That's why I went to engineering school. It's why I went back to engineering school and got a graduate degree. And it's why I'm sitting here right now and able to tell you guys the story of my life. So that's probably going to be it for today. Again, if you made it this far in the video, you are a rock star, and I can't wait, for the next videos. So tune in and keep watching. So by the way, I did order a microphone, so audio should improve, and the videos are just going to get better and better every time. I'm thinking that for some videos, I might hire a professional videographer to film and edit the video for me to just put out really high quality content for you guys. If that's something you're interested in, let me know. Obviously, not every video can be produced like that because one of my whole strategies for building wealth is keeping your expenses low and maintaining cash flow. So it'll have to be strategic videos. Like my wife is getting a new M2. Should be here in February, March. The wait is killing us. We ordered the car 6 weeks ago and it's still not even being built. And maybe that's my next video, is going through the build on my wife's new M2. But yeah, I'm gonna stop rambling. I'm excited. See you guys next time.